Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your math teacher Muhammad Riaz Minhas. I welcome you online video lectures class 10th subject mathematics and lecture number 7. Lecture number 7 is related to unit number 2, theory of quadratic equations. Today our topic is nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. The nature of these roots depends on the value of the expression b square minus 4ac, which is called the discriminant. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 are minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a, and the value inside the square root. Its discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now we discuss the nature of the roots in 4 possible ways. The first, if b square minus 4ac discriminant is greater than 0 and is a perfect square, then the roots are rational, real, and unequal. Second rule, if b square minus 4ac discriminant is greater than 0 and is not a perfect square, then the roots are irrational, real, and unequal. Third rule, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are rational, real, and equal. Fourth rule, if discriminant b square minus 4ac less than 0 means negative, then the roots are imaginary, complex conjugates. Students, now we discuss a question from exercise 2.1. Question number 2, find the nature of the roots and verify the result. Question number 2, part 4, 3x square plus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0 is a standard quadratic equation. Solution: 3x square plus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0 is comparing with the standard quadratic equation. The coefficient of x square is equal to a, the coefficient of x is equal to b7, and the constant minus 13 is equal to c. Now substituting all the values of these constant a, b, c in discriminant, we will get 7 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 13 is equals to 49. 7 square is 49. Multiplying these values, minus 4 with minus 13 and with 3, we will get plus 156 is equals to, on adding these two values, 205 clearly, which is greater than 0. Hence, discriminant is is greater than 0, hence discriminant is greater than 0 and not a perfect square. Therefore, the roots are real, irrational and unequal. Verification. 3x square plus 7x minus 13 is equal to 0. The given standard quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, substitute the value of constant a, b, c in the quadratic formula. We will get x is equal to minus 7 plus minus under root 7 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 13 over 2 into 3. On simplification, we will get x is equal to minus 7 plus minus under root 49 plus 156 over 6. And finally, x is equal to minus 7 plus minus under root 205 over 6. Either plus or negative, we will get two different roots of the standard quadratic equation. Hence, clearly from the statement, the roots are rational, so the roots are verified. Now students, we take another question, exercise 2.1, question number 4, part 3. Find the value of k if the roots of the equation are equal. The given equation of part 3, 3k plus 2 into x square minus 5 into k plus 1 x plus 2k plus 3 is equal to 0. By comparing with standard quadratic equation, we get coefficient of x square a is equal to 3k plus 2. Coefficient of x is equal to minus 5 into k plus 1. And the constant c is equal to 2k plus 3. According to the condition of the question, as the roots are equal. So, क्वेश्चन में जो कंडीशन मौजूद है उसके मुताबिक रूट्स आर इक्वल, सो डिस्क्रिमिनेंट पुट इज इक्वल टू 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now substituting the value of a, b and c, we will get minus 5 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into value of a 3k plus 2 into value of c 2k plus 3. On expanding the square, we will get 25 into k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 4 into, on multiplying these two factors, we will get 6k square plus 13k plus 6 is equal to 0. On further simplification, 25k square plus 50k plus 25 minus 24k square minus 52k minus 24 is equal to 0. On simplification, 25k square minus 24k square is equal to k square, 50k minus 52k minus 2k and 25 minus 24 plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation k square minus 2k plus 1 clearly on closing we will get k minus 1 whole square. On taking square root of this statement, we will get k minus 1 is equals to 0, and from this we will get the value of k is equals to 1. Students, let us we take another example of exercise 2.1, question number 5. Show that the equation x square plus mx plus c whole square is equal to a square has equal roots if we have the condition c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Solution. Students, x square plus mx plus c whole square is equal to a square. On expanding the formula and rearrange the values, we will get a quadratic equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. So by comparing with standard quadratic equation, we get the coefficient of x square 1 plus m square is equals to a. The coefficient of x 2mc is equals to b, and c square minus a square is equals to constant c. By the condition of the question, as the roots are equal, so we set as discriminant is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now substituting the value of b square, we substituting the values of constants a, b and c, we will get the value of b2mc whole square minus 4 into value of a 1 plus m square into value of c square minus a square is equal to 0. We take the square of 2mc, 4m square c square minus 4 into, on multiplying these two values, we will get c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square is equal to 0. Now the statement becomes on simplification 4m square c square minus 4c square plus 4a square minus 4m square c square plus 4m square a square is equal to 0. Clearly, minus 4m square c square is cancelled with plus 4m square c square. We will get minus 4c square plus 4a square plus 4m square a square is equal to 0. We take minus 4 as a common. We will get minus 4 into c square minus a square minus m square a square is equal to 0. Now the statement becomes c square minus a square minus m square a square is equal to 0. Minus 4 is multiplying here, dividing on other side. So 0 over minus 4 becomes 0. Hence the statement is c square minus a square minus m square a square is equal to 0. Now we switch minus a square minus m square a square from left side to the right side of the equation. C square is equal to, students, now we get c square is equals to a square plus a square m square. We take a square as a common from right side value. We will get c square is equals to a square into 1 plus m square. Hence, it is proved. Now we take question number 6. Find the condition of the roots of the equation for mx plus c whole square minus 4ax is equals to 0. We solve by expanding the formula a plus b whole square. We will get m square x square plus twice of these two values 2mcx plus c square minus 4ax. On rearranging the values, we will get m square x square plus 2 into mc minus 2a x plus c square is equals to 0. Now we compare the given equation with standard quadratic equation. We get coefficient of x square, m square is equals to a, coefficient of x 2 into mc minus 2a is equals to b, and c square is equals to constant c. According to the condition of the question, as the roots are equal. So for equal roots, we put discriminant is equals to 0. Mean b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. We substitute the value of a, b and c in the discriminant. We will get 2 into mc minus 2a whole square minus 4 into value of a m square, value of c square is equals to 0. On expanding the square formula, 4 into m square c square minus twice 4am c plus 4a square minus 4m square c square is equals to 0. Clearly, on simplification, this statement we will get 4a square minus 4amc is equals to 0. We take 4a as a common. 4a into a minus mc is equals to 0. As 4a is dividing on other side, becomes 0. So we will get a minus mc is equals to 0, and clearly from this statement we will get a is equals to mc, which is the required condition. Students, now we solve question number 9 of exercise 2.1. For all values of k, prove that the roots of the equation are real. The given equation x square minus 2 into k plus 1 over k x plus 4 is equals to 0. We compare this given quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation. So coefficient of x square 1 is equals to a, coefficient of x is equals to b, minus 2 into k plus 1 over k, and the constant 4 is equals to c. Now the discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac. On substituting the value of ABC, we will get the value of b minus 2 into k plus 1 over k whole square minus 4 into value of a 1 into value of c 4. On expanding the square, we will get 4 into k square plus 1 over k square plus 2 minus 60. Multiplying by 4, we will get 4k square plus 4 ones are 4, 4 over k square plus 4 2s are 8 minus 16. Now the statement becomes 4k square plus 4 over k square, and on simplifying 8 minus 16 is minus 8. So clearly, on taking 4 as a common from this statement, we will get 4 into k square plus 1 over k square minus 2. On closing the formula, k square plus 1 over k square minus 2 now becomes 4 into k minus 1 over k whole square. Clearly, all the values of the discriminant now become 2 into k plus 1 over k whole square. Students, you can see discriminant is a perfect square and greater than 0. Hence, discriminant is a perfect square and is positive for all values of k. So, the roots of the given equation are real. Students, now it is the time for homework. A few questions from exercise 2.1, question number 3, 7 and 10 you are given as a homework. Okay students, see you in the next lecture. Hope for the best. Thank you very much.